Workers in New Zealand's construction sector are in constant high demand, with new housing being built, ongoing restorations, and no shortage of civil work. As an industry, construction makes up around 7% of New Zealand's economy in terms of gross domestic product, or GDP, and employs nearly 10% of our workforce, over 250,000 people. Construction businesses face stiff competition for retaining and hiring staff. With the high cost of living, staff are under extra pressure to follow higher wages, leading to workers being poached from one project to another. Digital tools are available to help construction companies to find new staff. When advertising a position, it's best to be as specific as possible as to the purpose of the role and its requirements. It also helps to say something about your work culture or location that might attract applicants. If you can't think of anything in particular, you should consider how you could remedy this. Many employers are reluctant to give salary ranges for a position, but it is something that applicants will look for and appreciate. Word-of-mouth recommendations are still a big part of business in the construction sector and should be taken seriously, but online digital tools allow you to cast a wider net and potentially find overlooked talent. Finding people and companies online is quick and easy, as is verifying whether tradesmen are certified or what building codes and consents apply to your project. This can help to alleviate the stress of planning a project and expedite the process in general. LinkedIn can help streamline screening potential employees, as you can quickly ascertain if the individual has the requisite experience and qualifications to be a good fit for whatever roles you have in mind. Likewise, individuals can quickly assess companies to see what kind of services are offered, how this is marketed, as well as important data like median employee tenure times, which in conjunction with the age of the company and its employee distribution, can be used as a rough gauge for how valued employees feel working there. Make sure you have a contract with every contractor you employ. If your builder is using subcontractors, document their names in the contract between you. Talk to your builder about hiring contractors, payment, and your understanding of each other's role, and make sure you understand the contract you are signing, preferably getting your lawyer to check it before you sign.